White sauce is bubbling, so, and we have already drained the asparagus. There's about 3 or 4 cups of asparagus that we've cooked. I'm going to put some white pepper.
Is that about a teaspoon?
No.
Half a teaspoon?
It's supposed to be a 1/4, but it was a little more than that. About a 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then we're going to put the asparagus, already drained and cooked. Now sometimes I add cut up hard-boiled eggs to this, but Adam didn't look like he wanted that in. Now we will probably, Hannah and I will probably eat this over toast. And I'm not sure what Adam's going to eat his.
So I'm going to eat it.
Okay. So here's our creamed asparagus.